In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple lines in Instagram bio. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Instagram application. Now from here, tap on your profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen and simply tap on Edit Profile. Now from here, you can simply or easily change your bio. So tap on your bio right here. And for example, let's just add in like that. And now to add multiple lines, you just want to tap on the return button. And as you can see, I have the second line. Tap on the return button again, and I have the third line. So in some cases, there are phones that it doesn't show the return button in your keyboard. So if you want to add a new line, what you want to do is first add in your first line bio, then just tap on the microphone icon right here and just say create new line, and it will automatically add new line to your bio right here. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.